Number one, the Agile manager. I believe self-organization does not mean the absence of management. I mean, why would a Scrum team handle payroll, for example? Outsourcing of these kind of tasks to the management is common. If you'd like to learn more about this, I highly recommend that you run, for example, a delegation poker game from the Management 3.0 series, which is really helpful and provides a lot of insight how your team is actually understanding the role of management. However, Scrum is by all means not about exercising command and control. The Scrum Master is by definition certainly not a supervisor. If you search the Scrum Guide, you will never find project manager or something in that direction. It simply does not exist. Typical signs of these kind of management attitudes, of Tayloristic attitudes, are, for example, providing working agreements to speed up the getting productive phase of a new team. Yeah, we could run a team exercise here, but seriously, here's my suggestion for the working agreements. Now get going. Or turning the daily Scrum into some sort of reporting session, probably even addressing the people and giving them the right to speak. Another would be to push the team during the sprint planning to take more on that they actually would like to pull into the sprint. It's not just only the product owner who's probably be tempted to go down that road. Another issue would be assigning subtasks to developers. Or even worse, an engineer turned Scrum Master who cannot let go and is actively participating in helping the team or maybe suggesting the team how to solve technical issues. These are all aspects of the manager inside the Scrum Master that needs to be addressed, absolutely, from my perspective and a retrospective.